I believe in the Pfumvudza program myself, to be honest with you. I think from a food security point of view, we must be identifying farmers with capacity so that we deal with food security. Pfumvudza is the rainfall pattern has not been good. So how much is harvested and how much is lost in the inputs? Millions and millions, yet those millions could go into empowering farmers with A2 farms, rehabilitating the irrigation and being sure that this farmer that we're giving these inputs to will be able to see the season through because of the irrigation which is there. Farming is about irrigation. We've got water bodies which are plenty, but what is lacking is the irrigation facilities which are there. So it is important that we are seen to be rehabilitating the irrigation infrastructure for us to be able to make sure that we have food security, which is certainly important for us. We're importing so much when we don't need to import, and priority is important. What the people in the rural areas want is food security and so forth. Not only that, subsidized inputs can come in where people buy inputs, because most of the inputs right now, you see them in the shops. During this season, you see more agriculture shops set up because of the abuse of these inputs. You just saw the other day, read that a councillor was arrested and agri-tax officers were arrested because of the cartels that they set up and so forth.